Hey Mark, this is Steve Dahl up here at Jackie Cooper Infiniti in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I've been able to confirm availability on that QX80 that you were interested in. It is a beautiful moonstone white, four-wheel drive. Open up the back lift gate for you. Power lift gate, 12-volt charger in the rear, as well as power reclining and folding back third row seats. You can see that they actually recline, lay back however much you want them to, so that third row relaxes. Moving on into the second row, you've got the wheat interior with the high contrast black piping, tri-zone climate control, USB and 12-volt power adapters in the back. Huge console, cup holders, and even another storage space in the rear. Great looking vehicle, lots of storage, comfort all the way around. Coming into the driver's seat, you've got your window and mirror controls, memory seats. Of course, it's got the heated steering wheel and all your safety features. Steering wheel, safety features, Bluetooth, cruise control settings, as well as stereo and audio controls. Main dash, navigation in the top screen. New to the QX80 in 2020 is the dual screen. Top for navigation, and then the bottom screen for audio, home screen, climate control. Got your heated front seats, USB and 12-volt adapters, gear shift, voice. One of the other nice things is the round view cameras. Give you a quick view of that. And of course your console there. Moonroof. Love to have you come by, take a look. Of course, standard on the QX80 now is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Give me a call, 918-806-8233. Again, that's 918-806-8233. Look forward to hearing from you.